Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to adjust the headlight on a 2013 Ford Focus. Start by parking straight and measuring 25 feet from the bumper to the wall, then switch on low beams. Use tape to mark center lines for each headlight and note beam height relative to vehicle center. Gather a socket or screwdriver, a measuring tape, and a friend to help hold alignment while you make fine adjustments. In this video, I will show how to adjust the headlight on a 2013 Ford Focus. With the hood up, find the headlight housing and clear any covers or clips that hide the adjusters. Identify the two adjuster screws, one for vertical aim and one for horizontal aim, using a socket or screwdriver if needed. Keep the vehicle at operating temperature and ensure bulbs are seated properly before making any adjustments to avoid inaccurate aim. In this video, I will show how to adjust the headlight on a 2013 Ford Focus. Begin by adjusting vertical aim until the top of the beam aligns just below your tape marks. Then fine-tune horizontal aim so the hotspot centers on the wall marks. Make small turns and recheck from 25 feet after each change, tightening the screws once alignment is correct. Test drive on a dark road to confirm proper spread and avoid blinding oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.